Hello friends, we are going to study the second chapter in the biology subject of a 12th standard, that is reproduction in lower and higher animals. Today we will see what is reproduction and its one type, that is asexual reproduction. All of you knows reproduction is the basic characteristic feature of all living organisms. By the process of reproduction, all living organisms can maintain their generations or they can maintain their race. So, reproduction is the ability of organisms to produce young ones like themselves, or it is the process of formation of life from the pre-existing life. So this is the meaning of reproduction. Basically, in case of animals, there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is also known as agamogenesis or agamogeny. The meaning of asexual reproduction is it takes place without sex cells or formation and fusion of gametes. So it does not involve process of meiosis. The formation of progeny is by a single parent only, and hence asexual reproduction is also known as uniparental reproduction. The progeny is genetically identical to the parents. Now we will see the different types of asexual reproduction. Number 1, binary fission. It is division of parent cell into two small and equal sized daughter cells or individuals. Binary fission occurs by three different methods in different animals. Number 1, irregular binary fission. It occurs in amoeba. Longitudinal binary fission occurs in Euglena, and third one is transverse binary fission occurs in the Paramecium. So all these three types of binary fission occurs in unicellular eukaryotes, that is binary fission occurs in the protist. Then second type of asexual reproduction is gemule formation. Gemule is an internal bud formed only in the sponges. Gemule has aggregation of dormant cells, that is archaeocytes, which are capable of developing into the new organisms. These archaeocytes gets coated by the thick layer of secretion by amoebocytes. On favorable conditions, gemules hatch and develop into new individuals. Well-known example of this type of reproduction is Spongilla. Third method of asexual reproduction is budding. It is a simple method of asexual reproduction occurring in favorable conditions. In Hydra, bud is a small outgrowth produced towards the basal end of body, which grows and forms the tentacles and develops into a new individual. The young hydra gets detached from the parent and becomes an independent organism. You can see the process of budding formation in hydra. Next type of asexual reproduction in animal is regeneration. Regeneration is the ability of organisms to repair or regrow or restore its lost or damaged part. In planaria, anterior end exert a pull on the posterior end, resulting in the constriction in the middle part and splitting into two pieces. Finally, each piece grows into new planarian. Normally, the process of regeneration occurs in hydra and planaria. So, that's all about the asexual reproduction in animals.